Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having a good day as always. Today I thought I'd give you an update on my Wealthfront account. How's it doing? What's my return thus far? And I also want to talk about something that I've been seeing a lot of recently, and that is forecasts and warnings and all these signs that potentially a stock market correction, or at least I should just say an economic correction slash downturn, could be imminent coming. In fact, there's two videos that have kind of gone over this subject recently that I really like and I want to share with you guys. One is just a really short interview with Tony Robbins, that motivational speaker guy. Well, turns out he wrote a book on personal finance and wealth and investing and whatnot, and he has kind of his insights on the looming crash, and I'll have that video linked down below. I'll also include another one, and that is a podcast with Joe Rogan and Peter Schiff, who is a hedge fund manager, and he kind of offers his insights as to where we are from an economic health perspective, and that is a full-on podcast. It's over 2 hours long, but I definitely enjoy listening to those, so I'll have both of those links down below. Now, to go further into this, let me just say that, I'm not forecasting what is going to happen. I think it's logical that a recession slash economic downturn is inevitable. Like, it's unrealistic to expect that the market's going to continue this upwards trend forever. So yeah, eventually it will downturn. Now, when is that going to happen? I don't know. Most analysts don't really know. But at the end of the day, it's going to happen, right? And what does that mean for me as an investor? What does that mean for me just as a person concerned about their money? Well, it doesn't mean a whole lot, right? Because A, I'm not investing each month crazy amounts of money to where, if I see maybe a 20 to 30% downturn, that it's the end of the world, right? I'm going to continue investing my $100 a month and not change anything, right? The last thing I want to do during a downturn is, sell when I'm at a loss and then lose out on all that money, right? Things are cyclical. Things are going to go up. They're going to go down. Right? During that downtime, I'm again not going to cut out my money. Instead, what I may actually do, because everything's really cheap, is pour more money into my Wealthfront account when that happens. So is it going to happen? Yes. Do I know when it's going to happen? No. Right? And the reason why I keep hearing about it so often as of right now is that, if you look at history, apparently anywhere between 5 to 8 years, the U.S. goes through some sort of economic down period, right? 2008 was about 8 years ago, so we're pretty much overdue, right? It should be coming up at some point, right? Not only that, but a lot of economic analysts will say that, look, while we may be riding a high right now for the stock market and home prices are rising and all of that stuff, there wasn't enough real, true change during that time to where maybe we're artificially better than where we should be. I'm not sure. Again, that's a little bit above my head, above my pay grade, but that's not really what I focus on. My vision is focused on the long term. And so yes, there's going to be some times where things go down a little bit, but there's also going to be times like recently where things have gone up a little bit. So my question for the day for you guys is, knowing that this could potentially be around the corner, what does that mean for you? Are you going to change anything? Are you going to lower the amount that you invest each month? Are you going to stop investing entirely? Are you going to take your money out? What are you going to do, knowing that a lot of people are forecasting an economic downturn here? Now, I also want to give you an update on my Wealthfront account, let you know what the returns have been like thus far, and I also want to find out what returns you're getting. So as of right now, for 2017, I'm up 12% flat. It's 12:35 in the middle of the day, so the day's not quite done yet as far as the market's concerned, but I'm right at about 12% for the year. Not bad at all. Definitely take it. Again, could go up higher, could go down a bit, but as of right now, 12% for me is really solid. I also want to say that I have not changed my risk tolerance at all on Wealthfront. It is still set to 7. Haven't changed it one bit. But that's what I've received so far. I'm curious to know what sort of returns you've seen since you've opened Wealthfront, or this year specifically. Definitely comment below. Don't forget to share your referral codes, all that fun stuff. But that's what I want to talk about today. I really hope the economic downturn doesn't happen here anytime soon. But again, it's worth keeping in mind. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. I'll see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from it and you were able to strengthen your financial position. I'm going to keep coming out with more videos, so please stay tuned. But go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day.